What's the meaning of chicken flu? Chicken flu. Chicken flu.
Chicken flu. Chicken flu. Chicken flu is a common term used to refer to avian influenza, a highly contagious viral infection affecting birds. The symptoms range from mild to severe and may include coughing, sneezing, fever, and muscle aches. In some cases, it can also result in respiratory distress, organ failure, and death. While the disease primarily affects birds, it can also be transmitted to humans through contact with infected birds or their feces. The virus can mutate and potentially cause a pandemic if it acquires the ability to spread easily between humans.